Chaz?
Hi everybody. Sorry for the absence. I had a liquid cooler on my CPU on my old computer leak. Do a lot of damage, destroyed the motherboard, CPU, the top video card and SLI, thousands of dollars in damage. Thanks, Deep Cool.
Okay, but I could set the building on fire.
I recently built a new system. You can probably see it right there. It took a little longer than I thought to source the materials. Here's some details of the new build.
Remove the box.
What a beast. June 6th, I picked up the ASUS ROG Strix Helios mid-tower computer case. I went with this one because it was large enough that I could do what I needed to do. Plus it had all the options I was looking for. This thing's pretty intense when you really look at it. Brushed aluminum, steel construction, 4 case fans. It's black, of course. And inside that, I went with the ASUS ROG Thor 1200 certified. Fully modular. It's got an OLED display on the side. Tells you how many watts it's using. Very handy. Followed up by a 12th gen i9 12900K processor, up to 5.2 gigahertz unlock. Haven't really planned on doing any overclocking, but I can if I want. Came in with the ASUS Strix Z690E gaming Wi-Fi motherboard with DDR5. I did that on purpose because I wanted to run DDR5 RAM. I came in after that with the Nzxt Kraken 280mm. It's a all-in-one RGB CPU liquid cooler with customizable display. I liked it because you can put the CPU and the GPU temperatures together on one display, so it's a quick glance, you know exactly how you're doing. Of course, you had to have the ASUS ROG Strix RTX 3090 Ti Overclock Edition. Power. GDDR6X. This thing's a beast. I've ran it for a couple of days now, just testing it out. This thing will cut through edits like nobody's business. I mean, just cuts right through. Not to mention what it does on gaming. I'm getting 100 plus frames in 4K easily. Pushing Furmark was 444, I believe. I'll make sure and post a picture so you can see it.
Listen when I tell you, boy, you got some shit.
So seductive.
You gotta have the CORSAIR Dominator Platinum. DDR5 32 gigs, 216, 5200. For the keyboard, I upgraded to ASUS ROG Strix Flare. It's got the Cherry MX red keys. It's an RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. The really sweet thing about it is I picked it up renewed, so the price was knocked down even farther.
Still pimp. Once a pimp, always a pimp. Always boss player. Forever.
You can't go wrong. Always look for renewed. You can't beat it. You can get an extended warranty through them. And because the keys, it's quieter. It's not the click, 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 clack. And picked up the HyperX Pulsefire Surge gaming mouse. 16,000 DPI, programmable buttons. It all runs together. Give me a few days to get this set up, and I look forward to catching up on everybody's videos.
We back in business.
Thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Hopefully it made you laugh or saved you some money. If it did, hit that subscribe button down there, the red one. If you want to see more videos like this, click right there. I'll see you in the next video.